Are you tired of manually trading cryptocurrencies and experiencing inconsistent results? Do you wish there was a simpler and more efficient way to navigate the volatile world of crypto trading? Well, we have some exciting news for you. Introducing our groundbreaking solution that will revolutionize your trading experience, Automated Binance Bot Trading. We understand that navigating the crypto market can feel like a daunting task, especially with its unpredictable nature. It requires constant monitoring, analyzing endless data, and making split-second decisions. This process is time-consuming and mentally exhausting, leaving you frustrated and uncertain about your investment decisions. But fear not, because we have the perfect solution to eradicate these challenges. Binance Bot Trading is a powerful automated trading tool that leverages sophisticated algorithms to make data-driven decisions on your behalf. It is designed to maximize your profit potential while minimizing your trading time and effort. With our advanced technology, you can finally take advantage of the immense opportunities presented by the crypto market without being overwhelmed by its complexities. Our cutting-edge bot utilizes artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithm to analyze vast market data in real time. It identifies profitable trading opportunities and executes trades on your behalf, even when you're asleep or busy with other commitments. This means you can now enjoy a stress-free trading experience without constantly monitoring the market or worrying about missing out on lucrative opportunities. But what sets our Binance Bot Trading apart from other automated trading solutions? The answer lies in our commitment to transparency, security, and user-friendly design. Unlike other platforms that keep their strategies hidden, we believe in empowering our users with full visibility into the algorithms and signals that drive our bot's decision-making process. This ensures that you have complete control over your trades and can make informed investment decisions. Furthermore, we prioritize the security of your funds by implementing stringent measures to safeguard your assets. Our platform is built with industry-leading security protocols, encrypted communication channels, and two-factor authentication to protect your sensitive information from potential threats. You can trade with confidence, knowing that your investments are in safe hands. Now, you may be wondering about the results you can expect from Binance Bot Trading. Well, the testimonials from our satisfied users speak for themselves. Many of them have experienced significant profits and improved trading outcomes since integrating our bot into their trading strategies. They have witnessed firsthand how our bot's data-driven approach consistently identifies profitable opportunities and executes trades with precision and speed. And today, we invite you to join their success and transform your trading experience. So, are you ready to take your cryptocurrency trading to the next level? Are you ready to leverage the power of automation and AI to optimize your trading strategies and maximize your profit potential? If so, don't wait any longer. Contact WeAlwin Technologies now and let our advanced technology work for you. By taking this bold step, you will gain an edge in the competitive crypto market, save valuable time, and unlock the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. Experience the future of crypto trading today. Contact us or visit allwin.io to fill out the contact form. For Binance Crypto Bot Trading software, start enjoying consistent profits, hassle-free trading, and the financial success you deserve. Take advantage of this incredible opportunity. Contact us now.